Now in this section we will going to store data on our smart contract. So let's read this one. We want to be able to let someone wave at us and then store that wave. So first thing we need is a function they can hit to wave at us. The blockchain is think it as a cloud provider like AWS, but it's owned by no one. It runs by a computer power from machines who want to support the network. Usually these people are called nodes, and they run client software to keep the network running while keeping our data or transactions stay on the network. A smart contract is like our server's code with different functions people can hit. So here is our updated smart contract, so we can use to store the waves. Okay, let's copy it and open it and just save it. Okay, so we have created a state variable total waves. State variables are basically those variables which will retain the state even after the execution of the smart contract. So if we want a variable if we want a variable that we want to increment it, and later we will use to start to increment it from the place where we have incremented last time, so we will use state variable. There are other variables in a smart contract also, uh, like local variables, global variables, that you can also check in other videos of on my channel.